Well, hello. Here we are with the latest on the work being done on the Cub. This is a disassembly of the Cub, I guess you could call it. Got the doors off and the lid off, and the fuel tank and everything has been taken out. Working up inside here. That's the firewall. Now, there have been so many different engine configurations on this thing that the firewall looks like somebody shot it with double-aught buck. So I'm trying to decide whether or not to replace it, put another piece of laminate another piece of plywood to it. Still trying to decide whether or not to take it out and if it will cause any damage to the sides of the fuselage and this area up here. But and trying to figure out what to do with the covering. This is Solartex, as is the wing. This is a plastic replacement. And this pretty much looks like Cub yellow, but it's questionable about if that's Cub yellow or not. I was going to leave the Solartex on the wings and redo the fuselage, but there's patching that needs to be done here. So I'm looking for some yellow Solartex. Stuff is hard to find. And I don't know whether to order regular yellow or Cub yellow. See, this is like Cub yellow. And this is whatever, lemon yellow. Back here, this is Solartex, and this is plastic, so that's all got to come off. Well, and the bottom is a plastic coat, so that's going to have to come off. But it's going to be a lot of work. But I'm sure I can end up with a decent looking model that flies good. A lot of area in here to work. And I think it's going to be a cool airplane when I get it done. I'm leaving these wheels on right now for storage. When I take the thing into the back room, I need to set it on the floor. The wheels help. This all looks pretty much intact. The windscreen, I think there's a crack here, but I can fix that and try to save the rest of it. That's it. That's what's going on right now. All right. Talk to you later.